Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class Ekalaiva. See, today we have to see class 4, subject is science, the topic name is teeth and microbes. The last session we saw about that the two sets of the teeth. Now in this session we have to see the 4 different types of teeth. We have the 2 set of teeth, it is over. We have the teeth, 32 teeth, the permanent teeth is we can divide this 4 categories. Okay, what we have to see here? See, different kinds of teeth. See, different kinds of teeth. See, a person, the adult person get the 4 kinds of teeth. It is called the permanent set. The permanent set is the 4 kinds. What are they? One is the incisor, and second one is the canine, third one is the premolar and molar. So, 4 type of the teeth is there in the adult person. It is called the permanent teeth. See, this incisor teeth is called the cutting teeth. Incisor is called the cutting teeth. This is why means this incisor having flat and then it is what is it? Missile shape. It is the flat broad end. Okay. So it is called the cutting teeth. Then next one, canine teeth. Canine teeth is also called the tearing teeth. It is also called tearing teeth. Why means it has the sharp pointed end. So it is help to tear the food. So this is the reason they are calling the tearing teeth. Next one, this premolar is called the cracking teeth. Cracking means if it is the hard food means we are using as usually in the premolar teeth. So they help to crack the food. So it is called the premolar is the cracking teeth. Next one is the molar. Molar teeth is also called the grinding teeth. Grinding means the particles will be make a soft and very tiny particles. Okay, the large particles converted into the tiny particles. So they help to grind the food particles. So it is the molar teeth is called the grinding teeth. So this is the 4 kinds of the permanent teeth. What is that? Incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Clear? We have to see one by one. See, first one is the, first one is incisor or cutting teeth. Incisor or cutting teeth. See, you can see here, the totally 32 teeth is there, the permanent teeth. Here we can see that 1, 2, first 2, it is called the central incisor. First 2 is called there, it is called the central incisor teeth. And then next 2 is there, this next 2. This is also called the lateral incisor. This two is called the lateral incisor. So 4 teeth is there. Incisor is the 4. And then upper jaw is 4 and then lower jaw is 4. So totally incisors are 8. Okay. So see, this incisor works like a scissor. That's why it is called the incisor. Okay. The incisor works like a scissor. If you are having a cloth or paper means this the 2 sides will be used to cutting the things. As well as these 2 teeth, these 2 help to cut the food particles. It helps to cut the food particles. How they help? See, this herbivorous animal is there, rabbit, cow, deer, like this animals is there, These animals having like this incisor very strong. Because why means they have to cut the food. They are eating the leaf and grass, so they have to cut that. So they are having like this incisor very broad and then strong. See, they use them to cut and bite our food. This is the reason the incisor is called the cutting teeth. Next one is the canine. Second one is canine teeth. See, This canine is also called the tearing teeth. See this canine. On either side of the cutting teeth is a sharp tooth. Is a sharp tooth. We can see here, no, this is the canine. Apart from this, near the then this two here and then as well as here also. So this 4 is called the canine teeth. This canine teeth having sharp pointed edge. They having sharp pointed edge. Okay. They help to cutting the food. They help to cutting or tearing the food. That's why they are calling the tearing teeth. See, they help us to tear the pieces of food. Like this, teeth are working like a forceps, like this spoon. They having a sharp and pointed edge, no, as well as they also having the sharp and pointed edge. They help to tear the food. For example, we can say that carnivorous animals, what are that? Flesh eating animals, no, like lion, tiger, like these animals having very sharp and pointed like this tearing teeth, because they have to tear the flesh of other animals. That's why they having very sharp pointed, the large size of the like this tearing teeth. Okay. See, next one is the premolar. Next one is the premolar. See, premolars are cracking teeth. Premolar teeth is also called cracking teeth. Cracking means, see, just you think, if you are eating any hard food particles means, usually we are using like this premolar, like this. Is it or not? See, if a kamakut or some other hard nuts, if you are eating means, usually we never use the incisor or the canine. We are using like this premolar, because they are very strong and then they help to crack the food. Isn't it? That's why we are using the premolar food to crack. That's why the premolar is called the cracking teeth. They, why means, this premolar are 4 premolars are in each jaw. We can see, the upper jaw having 4 in each side, the left side and then right side. So both side having 4. Okay, in both side 2 is there, and then so totally 4 premolar teeth is there in each side. So totally 8 premolar teeth is there. They help to crack the food materials. How they helps? They act like a nut crackers. This is the nut crackers. We can say here, if you are keeping some nuts here means, if you are pressing here, the nut will be cracked. So as the same process, our this premolar teeth also working like this nut cracker. That's why this premolar teeth is called the cracking teeth. Okay. So this is mean. What is the mean? They crushing the food. The premolars crushing the food. Clear? Next one is the molar teeth. Next one is molar. See, for last final one is the molar teeth. This molar teeth is also called the grinding teeth. It is also called grinding teeth. We know that it is the mortal and pestle. We know that this mortal help to grind the food particles, as well as this premolar or this molar teeth also working like a grinding the food. Okay, see, there are 6 molars in each jaw. There are 6. In the right side 3 as well as the left side 3. We can see here the broad and then the flat surface of the teeth. We can see in each side of the jaw we have 3. Okay, so left side 3, right side 3, as well as on the upper jaw 6 and then lower jaw 6. Totally 12 molar teeth is there in our mouth. Clear? See, they are broader than the premolar and have upper surfaces to grind food. See, we can see here they are very broader compared than other teeth. They present after the molar teeth. Okay, after the premolar teeth, they have broad and flat surface, as well as they attached to our our brain, the face bones. Okay, so they are very strong. This is the reason they help to grind our food. So molar teeth help us to grinding our food. Thank you children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and will receive our latest updates. Thank you.